Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about mean value theorem. So now I will show you how to answer. If we want to satisfy about mean value theorem, the function should be continuous. That means if we look on piecewise function, we see that the limit on the left, for example, I choose about D in here, the limit on the left should be equal to the limit on the right, so that the function can be continuous. So if we look carefully about this one, when s equal to number 0, we have number 7, but we have the limit on the right. When s approaches to number 0 on the right, so we put number 0, 0 in here, we have a. To get about continuous, the limit on the left, 7, equal the limit on the right, a. So 7 equal to a, and the value we need to put in here is about 7. Now we change this one into number 7. Now we have number 1, the limit on the left, s approach to number 1, so we put number 1 in here. So we have 13. The limit on the right, when s approach to number 1, we have b plus c. We have first equation. The next one, when we do first derivative, the value on the left should be equal to the value on the right. So first derivative of this one, we have 18x minus 3. First derivative of this one, we have b. And now we put number 1 go in here. And we have 18 minus number 3. And we will have about the value of b in here. And we have the value of b in here. Now we have b equals to number 15. So we have c equals to negative number 2. So why we cannot do first derivative of this one? Because s equal to 0, just like only 1 point in here. But this one is about the line. This is a little bit different. That's why we can do first derivative of 2 equations in here, because they are the line, just like this. But this one is the point. This is different. This is the end. Thank you for watching.